Welcome to Chords to Jam, and today I'm going to be teaching you 3 chords that you can use for tons of different songs. And those 3 chords are G, C, and D. Now, I'm going to be showing you 3 songs that you may know that you can play using just those 3 chords. Famously, Sweet Home Alabama is D, C, and G. For literally the entire song, they use different variations like power chords and things like that, but the song is D, C, and G. The next would be Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash. And that song uses G, C, and D basically just mixed up in different ways. So the chorus is D, fell into a burning ring of fire. And then the verse starts with G, accompanied by the trumpets and things like that. But that's G, C, and D, just those 3 chords throughout the song. And another song that I really enjoy is We Are Gonna Be Friends by the White Stripes. And that one starts off with just the G chord. And then D, C, and G, just like Sweet Home Alabama. But this one's, I can tell that we are gonna be friends. And there you have it. There's 3 songs that you can play. I'm sure you can look up many more that contain just those 3 G, C, and D chords. And just one last review. The D chord is this open D string. And then we have the 2nd fret on the G string. We have the 3rd fret on the B string. And we have the 2nd fret on the high E. So altogether, that gives you the D. And if you want to play a C chord, there's different variations. The one that is most traditional would be the 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, open fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, and the high E, open, and altogether that would give you a C chord. Now for a G, it would be the 3rd fret on the low E string or the 6th string, the 2nd fret on the A string or the 5th string, and then the next 3 strings will be open with the bottom string, or the high E I should say, being played with the 3rd fret fretted. So altogether it would sound like that. And so there's a G chord for you. There's different variations and you can look them up. Different fingerings that you can use to give you different subtle sounds, you know, but we'll get into that later. These are just the basic shapes that you can use to play some songs. So hopefully this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.